am so tired from legs, guys. Right, Ash and I are going to do some face masks. Before that, I'm just going to drink my protein shake. Right on cue. Thank you, Ash. Anyway, whatever. We're back from the gym now, and we're going to do face masks.
Struggle is real, BC.
The struggle is so real. Okay, so guys, today we're going to do this mask, and it's the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakura Baby Facial one. This you can get in Sephora, and I think it's about $80. It's pretty expensive, but my colleague who went over there was telling me about it, and she told me it's amazing. So I have tried it once, and I did actually really like it. But today Ash and I are going to do it on each other on the camera, and then we'll tell you what our overall thoughts and results were. You've just had your own protein shake, and now you're drinking mine. No, I just saw you. I'll see it on camera. So the Sakura Baby Facial looks like this, which is really cool, and then it comes with this like little luxury facial oil which you put on your face after you've done it. So we've both got clean faces. Well, I've got a little bit of residue left over from mascara, but I did clean off all the rest of my makeup. So yeah, we're going to put a thin layer of this on each other's faces. Are you up for doing this in front of the camera and putting it on me, Ash? What? What? What, babe?
Oh, I thought it was a spider.
A spider?
It's gone now.
There better not be a spider. It's not a spider, right? Okay, so hold on. Should I just drink my drink first, and then we'll film? We can talk about something else while we're... I've just got to finish my protein shake before we start. What's that noise?
Robot.
Robot. Shall I shut the door, Ash, because I'll be able to hear? Any topics you want to talk about? Oh guys,
Brexit.
have you... Brexit? No, I don't think my viewers want to talk about Brexit. Anything apart from Brexit to talk about, Ash?
No, not really. Just looking forward to doing my mask.
You're looking forward to doing the mask?
Yeah.
What, on your little bit of face that you've got here?
Well, I need to go and have a
The only reason I'm letting Ash use my very expensive face mask is because Ash doesn't have a lot of face that we have to put it on. He does have a bit of space.
Well, it makes up for the lack of space that you've got out there.
Ash makes fun of my forehead because it's really little. And I make fun of his. I make fun of his because it's big. Damn, your forehead's gonna use a lot of this expensive face mask.
Listen, when you become as smart as me, you'll need brain and you'll need space for it. But no, all you've got is a little brain for your fashion.
Little brain for my fashion. Well, I think I've actually got quite a big brain.
Really? Don't be too stingy.
I let Ash use all my beauty products, like everything I buy, whitening, teeth whitening strips, face masks. You get a good deal, Ash. It's the same colour as your skin, so it's hard to tell where I've put it on. I can't believe I'm letting you use this. I cannot believe this.
Boyfriend does my face mask.
Boyfriend?
Oh yeah, husband.
You're not my boyfriend anymore.
Gotta get in the cracks, you know.
Leave it on for 20 minutes, we'll wash it off, and then we'll come back and tell you how we got on. Ash, I'm gonna fall. Guys, we're back. We used warm water to just wash it off, and then with a towel just kind of patted it dry. A couple of pumps. I think they actually suggest that you do this at night time, so then you just go to bed with the oil on. But we're not going out anywhere for the rest of the day anyway, so we'll just put this oil on our faces and just leave it on and leave it to absorb into our skin. So I think the verdict overall is it is really good. I think it does leave your skin feeling really soft, and I think it does kind of what it says on the can. But the only thing is, I mean, it's quite expensive for what it is. It's like $80. So I think there's alternatives out there that are cheaper. I prefer actually the peel off masks. I don't know what you guys think, but I actually like the peel off masks. I think if you've got a spare $80 and you want to try something new, give it a go maybe. If you can get even better still, I know those of you guys live in Sephora, you can maybe get hold of a sample, then definitely try it out. If you are potentially struggling with, you know, any kind of skin issues, then, you know, it might work for you. Cool, so let's go chill. We're gonna carry on watching A Person of Interest and just chill today because it is Sunday and we're both really tired, so I'm ready for a big week.
Bye.
Bye.